she's turned radio on.
No, that's you talking to me.
It's what? Is your radio gone on?
It said 107, I don't know if it's coming through your slot.
Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, it is. It's mine. Cardo, radio off. Do you have to say, hey, Cardo?
Yeah.
Hey, Cardo, radio off.
Radio off.
Silly bitch.
Bobbing like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor getting loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the
Watch your stand, dog. Watch your stand. I love that.
I always do it.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, I didn't like that, Ogg. Fucking didn't like that. Oh, little arsehole twitched on that gravel. Oh, look at that, Oggy. Have that. Oh, yardy yardy, I am, Oggy. So yardy yardy. I'm yardy yardy, yes. Left, you fucking idiot.
Yeah,
You fucking sprout, you are, Ogg.
you will remember you. I was thinking if it coming from the other way.
You lying cunt, you are. Oh, come on, we can do this, people.
You're picking on an invalid. I've got dyslexia.
Dyslexica. Fucking got dyslexica, that lad has.
Dyslexia. It's a disability, that is, you know.
Get on
You're
Pip.
picking on me.
Get on fucking Pip with it, Ogg. I'm sure dyslexicas only fucking can't spell. Not fucking not know your left and rights. I think
No,
that,
it's getting things wrong way around and everything, that's what it is.
that's just mongism. Where are you turning, Oggy?
I don't know what
You had your right indicator on. You cockhead.
Oh no, stop picking on me.
Oh God.
People can go off people, you know.
So you've got to get your fork seals done, your tyres done. That should do you. I'd leave the chain and just tighten it. And then go shopping at winter, lad. We'll go out shopping. Big brother will take you out, treat you
What?
to a breakfast where we'll go look for your new bike.
Fuck off,
You need one, mate. It's getting fucked now, that is.
Hey, it's still fucking going.
Get it so it's not fucking,
Still fucking going, innit?
yeah, just.
Outlast us, this will.
Just.
Outlast us.
It's fucking gripping on to every little bit it can at the moment.
Hey, you see fucking two of your bikes out, mate.
It'll get a fucking speed bump, mate, and that'll finish it.
See two of your bikes out, this baby. My little baby.
I don't think it'll see this one out, Oggy. Oh, they could have that. Maybe that'll blow them along faster. Oh my god. Lots of little fucking potholes here, isn't there?
Where the fuck's the road gone? Fuck me. You get all on this sidewalk.
Fucking Joey Dunlop, aren't I, mate?
You ride that one faster and harder than any of your other bikes.
Because you're more sat up, you're more comfortable. Just think how confident you'd be on one, Oggy. Oh my god. Oh! Oggy, you are a crazy little motherfucker. Crazy man. Claire. Oh, you're fucking right. You're right up me shafter anyway, aren't you?
That's right up your shaft for you.
Fucking right up my shafter, Og. Oh, beast my arse, Oggy, it's so.
Every time you stand up like that, you must twist your throttle off because you slow down. Alright, mate, he's off-roading. It's one of them ones. Off-roading, on-roading.
Welcome to Cheshire. Fuck me, come on, you bastard red light cunt.
Red light gun, red light gun, red light gun. Yeah, I'm set off in third gear then. Sure I went down to fucking first. Third gear's alright, look. Bubbling through. Oh, it's a bit sluggish. Alright, I'm gonna try back.
Yeah, alright, love.
Alright, see you later.
See you, love. Ciao, mama. Okay, take that with you. Suck it, Oggy. Oggy sucked it. Anyway, that was our little Sunday ride out. We went the Raven first. I weren't going film because I've lost my mojo with filming, can't be arsed, but when we went Lake Vyrnwy and I thought, I'll get a bit of dronage. I don't know, I've lost my mojo a bit. And just do it as and when this year, if I can be arsed, which I nearly didn't today. But yeah, take a little break this year, I think. Come back next year when I can be bothered. I've just fucking had enough of YouTube at the moment. You little knobbers. Don't, love, just carry on going. Don't make a fool of yourself. I'm in charge of this road. Yeah. Right, well, that's it. We're back home. You had a little something out me. A little something I didn't have to give really, but I did. Because I'm a generous lad. So enjoy it. Oggy's bike's just got fucking fork seal leaking on the front. He's plugged his back tyre, so he's got to get tyre fork seal. He's on about chain and sprocket as well, but I'm trying to talk him into, now it's getting a bit old. Treat yourself this winter, Og. Get a GS, get a bit of a low now. Go on, lad. I know you want to. You can't carry on the green machine forever, it's collapsing on you. So that's it. Day over. Now let's get in and chill out. Ciao mama people. Ciao mama.